Hello, my name is Bryce Castillo, and today we're going to be learning about commas and conjunctions. A conjunction is a word used to connect clauses or sentences or to coordinate words in the same clause. A comma is a punctuation mark used to separate the elements in a series of three or more things, including the last two. So let's get down to the conjunctions. Fanboys. So you can see the conjunctions, you can use them to join things such as words, phrases, and clauses. Each and every one of these is a conjunction. Pedro and Juan, the boy yelled and ran. I will be at the park or in my room, and I want to go to the library, for I have a test tomorrow. So you can see everything that's inside the box. It's a fanboy, and here is a mnemonic device which can help you learn the fanboys much quicker. This example, we have sentences that use comma and the conjunction, and one that doesn't. I would like to run, but my leg is hurt. If you separate these two sentences, they make sense because they have a subject and a verb, a subject and a verb. Which is why you can take out the but and they still make sense. But here, I went to the restaurant and saw my friend. If you take out the and, then this doesn't make sense because you don't have a subject and a verb here. You need two subjects and two verbs. So if you have two sentences being joined by a conjunction, put a comma in, and if you cannot split it, put the comma out. Examples from the letter I wrote to Miss Honor. But it did not happen as I planned it, so I was sent to the worst of all naval companies. Here, I need a comma before the so. I cannot just put a point there and start a sentence. And in the second one, I had heard stories about this camp, but you know what they say. I needed a comma here. I cannot just put a fanboy without a comma because these are two separate. They still make sense if you separate them. I went to Culver with some friends of mine, but they were in a different company than I need a comma here before the but. Obviously, Naval 2 did not win the competition since our company was very separated. I need a comma before the Naval, and I discovered that I am a natural leader, and that this trait will help me as it helped me put Naval 6 on top. I need a comma here before the and the fanboy. Mark refused to answer the question, for his answer was potato. Diego asked for water, but he got a Coke. Peter slapped him from behind, but it was the principal. Afraid he was going to lose his balance, Jose grabbed out on the disgusting street pole. Intrigued yet dubious, Jim jumped into the pond filled with dog feces. As you can see, each and every one of these have a comma and then a conjunction, except for this one, but it still has a name, and the subject and the verbs need to be separated with a comma and a conjunction. Thank you very much. I hope you learned.